In this video, I will show you how to convert multiple Excel sheets into one PDF. So, if you have multiple sheets on your workbook, for example, here we have only one, but we will create. So now, as we can see, we have these three sheets on this workbook. We will create and we will convert these all sheets into one PDF. So click on File and then Save As. Now Save As, type, select PDF. In the options, select this setting, entire workbook. Make sure select this entire workbook. Then click on OK. Give any name. Save it. Now open that PDF. If we will see this type of error, so you need to adjust the size as a page. So in which column you have this problem, you can adjust size for that particular column. For beginning balance and ending balance, we have this problem. So we will adjust it. Or make the small size. And save it again. So these are methods, guys, you can try to resolve this problem. So this way you can convert your Excel workbook into PDF. Thanks for watching.